Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club. And after a record week, the stock market is coasting into the weekend on subdued trading after hitting record highs at the open, with the NASDAQ topping the 9,000 mark for the first time on Thursday. But what we'll do on Friday, this holiday shortened week, we'll take a look at weekly charts, and we'll start with the S&P 500. Currently has a chart analysis score plus 100, trading at 3,244.94 on the week after hitting an all-time high of 3,247.93, up about 0.7% on the week. Key level to watch moving forward will be 3,126.09. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. The dollar index, on the other hand, not having such a great week, trading at 97.01, down almost 0.7%, with a new chart analysis score plus 100, with monthly and weekly red trade triangles in play. Key level to watch should be 97.75. A move back above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Dow Jones currently trading at 28,692.63 after hitting a record high of 28,761, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that we are in a long-term uptrend for the Dow. Key level to watch would be 27,801.80. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow. The record setter of the week, the NASDAQ, currently trading above that 9,000 level at 9,031.05, up almost 1.2% on the week, with a chart analysis score of plus 100, indicating that we are in a long-term uptrend for the NASDAQ. Key level to watch is quite a ways away at 8,682. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Gold, I was actually shocked when I pulled this chart up in a weekly, and I hadn't realized that this week gold was up as much as it is, up 2.4% on the week, trading back above that $1,500 level at 1,518.60, with a chart analysis score of plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch would be 1,502.10. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term sidelines position for gold. However, the long-term uptrend would remain intact. Crude oil up as well, fourth straight week in a row, as global demand for U.S. crude oil increases, up 2.2% on the week, trading above $60 at 61.75, with a chart analysis score of plus 100, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for crude oil. A red daily trade triangle indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. However, that long-term trend would remain in place. We'll wrap it up with Bitcoin. Not really much going on, and Bitcoin's kind of trapped around that $7,000 level, up about 0.2% on the day. Chart analysis score remains negative 100 with red trade triangles across the board. Currently up about 0.8% on the week, trading at 7,197.70. Key level to watch would be 7,692.98. Move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend.